Kids spending too much time gaming. According to the parent poll, adolescent boys play video games for an average of 3 hours every day. 9 out of 10 parents polled believe their children spend too much time gaming, to the point where it interferes with their everyday life and family interactions. While many parents believe video games can assist their children, they also report a number of negative repercussions, said Gary Freed, MD, mile per hour, Mott poll co-director and Mott physician. According to the report, many parents underestimate how much time their children spend playing video games. Only 54% of parents stated their children played video games for 3 hours or more on a regular basis. According to the study, 71% of parents believe that video gaming benefits their children. Most parents of 13 to 15-year-olds, according to the study, employed rating systems to filter the video games their children played, 43%. Only 18% of parents of older teenagers utilized rating systems to grant their children access to specific games. Older teenagers' parents were also more inclined to keep video games out of their children's rooms and encourage them to communicate with their classmates in person rather than online. According to the research, 75% of parents encourage their children to participate in extracurricular activities, while 54% impose time restrictions.
Thank you for watching. Hope you will like the video I created for you. Please support me, click on subscribe. Then click on the bell. Please tap the below to view videos of the same series.